Today I'm doing a quick review on this Scarifier or Dethatcher. It was very easy to put together. I had no issues at all. It went together very smoothly. All you have to do is assemble kind of the metal pieces using these little plastic clamps. The little bag goes on nicely. This is spring loaded, which you can kind of see in there how that all goes together. You have plastic wheels on this. And then all you have to do is use these little knobs to kind of tighten on the arms. It has these nice little pieces here that you can clamp on to kind of keep your cord nice and tight. And then here you have a cover for your batteries. If you pop that open, you'll see you can put those in here. It does require 2 of them. And then you have this little key that pops right in here. So it's nice that that's covered just in case you're dealing with a little bit of weather. You also have this here to kind of help with your adjustments. You can see it does have 1 through 4, so you have several different options. And then your bag removes very easily. All you have to do is kind of lift this up and it comes right out. The bag itself has a solid base on it, which is kind of nice, and then the rest is just a mesh, so you can kind of see through it like that. The unit comes with 2 different blades, so you can see it has this set already attached to it. It also comes with this set here. This one has kind of a looser tooth on it, and it has a lot more of them. So you have this option as well. And then it did come with very detailed instructions. These are very easy to use and they come in multiple languages. It does have a really nice look to it. The entire thing is made out of kind of a rugged plastic. It's definitely a solid plastic. It's not something that feels like it's gonna crack or anything like that. I would say it's a high quality plastic. All you have to do is kind of lock in your batteries. You can see they fit really nicely. You plug in your key, just like that. The cover fits on just fine with your batteries in there. To start it, all you have to do is hold this button in and then you pull the lever on the handle and it will start up. You can see in just that little short span, it does get right down into the dirt, which is really nice. And then you can also see, if we go ahead and open this up, how much it picks up from just that short little span that we went ahead and used it. So it does work really well. It does seem to have quite a bit of power for just 2 batteries in there. That was using it on 2nd gear. You can see that it gets a little bit deeper than the first pass that we made. So depending on the depth of your grass or the length of your grass, that will kind of help you determine how you want to go ahead and set it. But overall, this has been a pretty good product. If it's something that you're considering to kind of up your lawn game, I definitely recommend it. It works really nice. It's nice that you don't have to worry about using gas or anything like that on it. The product itself is of nice quality. This is something the manufacturer has sent us in exchange for our honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully our review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but we're pretty happy with it, and we are excited for a nicer lawn.